Step back on me, but I left the room. I like a series unfolds in sunlit rooms. From family tales to daily vlogs, we share our days. With mukbang feasts and playful pranks in countless ways. Stormy's lives.
Let's unbox.
Coach, come here. Coach, you want to put it? Coach, bring that thing.
This is the manual. Since you can cook with this, like this is a food menu. No, I don't know, Sha. But these are things you can make with this mini oven. And this is the warranty card. This warranty card serves for 2 years. It serves for 2 years. So everything is intact. Yeah. I'm so happy about this. Like I've been longing to have this. I want to start making a lot of things like cake, meat pie, grilling my fish, anything bakeable. So keep on watching my videos to see what next I'm going to do with this mini oven. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. They used to bring that and break. There's something inside the bottle. This is my first time having this, so guys, this is my first time of using this, so I don't know how to, use the button here, but I'm going to read the manual to understand this well. Though they show me some things on how to use it, but it's not clear. I'm going to read the manual to understand better. So these are the things inside this thing. Inside this bowl. This is the baking tray. This is the baking tray. Anytime you want to bake, put your meat pie, anything bakeable, and insert it. Now if you want to bring it out, when you are done baking, you can just put this in. Voila! My pan is out. Yeah. So next thing here is the grilling kidney corn. I don't know. Want to grill fish? You can place your fish here, then place it inside. Pan don't enter. Then when you want to remove this one, you have to make it off. You have to make use of it. This is what they show me here. I'm practicing what I was shown there. You have to make use of this one for this. Just press it on back, then bring it out, then use your rag or anything to bring it out. So this one serves with this, and this serves with this. So guys, another thing here is this. They say if you want to grill a full chicken, you can just, Oh my God, this thing come outside. You will let this thing sway like the chicken. You carry this thing sway the chicken, and then the chicken will enter. Then you lock it up. Then there's a hole inside here that this thing will enter first. It don't enter. Then you start doing your thing. Start doing your thing. So guys, this is how the inside is looking. Everything is inside now. So this is just a mini oven. It's an electric oven. As you can see, it's an electric oven. This is the wire. Yeah, this is the wire. So this is my first time owning this ever. I'm going to learn how to use this. Then I'll make use of it very soon. First thing I'm going to make with this is banana bread. I can't wait. See the button. They have 230 degree, 180, 150, 120, and 90. I think I'm going to be making use of 180. Then this is, I don't know what this one is, function. I'll be waiting. Then this is the minutes. This is the minutes. Stay on, off, 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is the maximum. Yeah, so I'm happy about this. So watch out what we are going to be using on this our mini oven. Let's even show you guys this one, cooking and cravings. There are so many recipes. These people did well though. They did it, like anything you want to bake is here. Method for pie, can you see? Method for dough filling. Like anything you want to bake, they have the recipe. Method. Oh my God, Spanish cheese squish. I'll be waiting. This is chicken bread. This is how to do it. This is the ingredients you need for the chicken bread. Oh my God. French bread. This is the ingredient. This is the method to follow. Like they did so well. Croissants. This is the ingredient. And this is the method to follow. Oh my God. They really tried. Like they really tried. Caramel brownie. Everything is here. Kunafa. I don't know what is kunafa. All these things, I don't know them. Okay, this is oatmeal cookies. If you want to do it, you follow this procedure. Chocolate fudge brownie. You have to heat oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease the pot. Oh my God. Like ginger cookies, red velvet brownie, vanilla cookies, plain tea or tea cake. I can do this one. I know how to do this. Marble biscuit, chocolate cookies. Hey, I'm going to make use of this manual. I'll be this first, whatever. Lahore chicken shara. This one is their local food. Like everything you want to bake, stuffed roast potato, sesame. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye bye.